fourth named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season, Tropical Storm Debby is strengthening as it approaches Florida. The National Hurricane Center saying it is expected to become a hurricane before making landfall. The agency has issued a tropical storm warning for parts of the Florida Keys. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis telling residents to take action now to stay safe.
Now's the time to exercise your disaster preparedness plan. The storm, we're already seeing impacts in southwest Florida. We're going to continue to see impacts across the west coast of Florida, but it is going to, the eye of the storm is going to hit the state of Florida tomorrow.
The Florida National Guard is mobilizing 3,000 guardsmen to respond to this storm. They'll be using high-wheeled vehicles, helicopters, and boats as part of their response effort.